Welcome to our channel Simple Color Studio. Today we will draw a castle on the clouds. Let's start drawing. First I am drawing 3 lovely clouds like this. Now I will draw a lovely castle on the clouds. I draw 2 bastions on the sides. Now I draw the door and the windows on the sides. Now I am drawing 3 towers. Draw 3 flags on these towers. Now I am drawing a beautiful rainbow on the side. Good job! Now I am making the drawing more visible. Now let's color the castle. I will use rainbow colors. I am starting with the clouds. I am coloring the clouds with blue. Now I am coloring the door of castle with red and orange color. Then I color the hearts with red color. I am coloring the bastion. Light green. Dark green. Yellow. Windows of tower are light green. Now let's color the towers. Light blue. Now dark blue. And purple. Heart in red. And window in blue. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Now coloring the flags with blue, pink, yellow, Finally, I am coloring the rainbow. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Awesome! If you like the drawing, please press like button and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.